Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. I'm really excited about Season 8 of Game of Thrones, the final season, and I decided to attempt this drawing of the Night King and Viserion. So I wanted it to be kind of like a poster, with the Night King at the front and centre, with Viserion towards the top, and while sketching I knew that I wanted to also include the wall and the army of the dead. It was already shaping up to be quite a difficult challenge, but I decided to make it even more of a difficult challenge by working on the background with watercolour. This is something that I'm not very experienced with, but it's something that I want to get better at, so this felt like a great opportunity to try it and see how it goes. So to create the blue colouring that I wanted, I blended between two colours, that being ultramarine and intense blue, and then I just layered different sections with different amounts of water, trying to create a stylised background with the moon and the sky and layered clouds and the wall, and then towards the bottom I added the army of the dead. Then, as you'll see towards the end of this section of the drawing, I decided to add some additional details with a white GellyRoll pen. After that, it was time to work on the Night King, and I began by adding pen outlines with a couple of Pigma Micron pens, 005 and 01, so very fine pen tips, just adding outlines across this whole section of the drawing. And then for the colouring, I was using Copic markers, and the challenge here was figuring out the colours of Copic markers that would match the colouring of the watercolour background. So in the end, I figured out that phthalo blue, pale blue, and frost blue worked the best, and they actually matched very accurately, and I was really pleased with them. I also added some shading on top of this colouring, using a mixture of black and cool grey markers, but I made sure not to add too much grey, as I wanted the blue of the Night King to continue to match the colour scheme in the background. For the additional details and highlights on top of this, I blended between a white Prismacolor pencil and a white GellyRoll pen. And the white pen was especially helpful here to create that icy texture with lots of scratch marks. Oh, and for the eyes, I ended up using a couple of different blue markers, those being sky and ice blue. I felt like using a different hint of blue in this area would help to make the eyes stand out. And then when I worked on his armour, I decided to use the black and the cool grey markers again, using the same techniques, the same shading and highlighting with the white pen, and just creating the same textures with the same methods. But I did make sure to add the hint of blue again to make it match. As you'll see, when I eventually completed the Night King, I moved on to working on Viserion, and I added the pen outlined first in the same way, and then used the same coloured markers as well, just continuing the same colour scheme. When I finished colouring Viserion, I just continued adding a few final touches, using the white pen to add some highlights, and also using it to add some stars in the sky. And after that, this drawing was completed. It was so much fun. It was a really difficult challenge, especially when it came to adding the watercolour first. That was a new one for me, and I feel like I definitely learnt some new stuff from this one. Be sure to let me know what you think of this drawing in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future drawings or videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, and any thumbs up or shares of this video are hugely appreciated. If you want to follow and support my progress, then be sure to check out the links in the description for my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Patreon. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.